Hey, we're going to play with some sounds and words. So let me share. So let's say and count the syllables and words. Each tile stands for one syllable. I will move up one tile for each syllable you say. This will help you see how many syllables are in a word. We will not always move up all of our tiles, so you got to count really carefully. So I'll do the first one. My word is speaker. The syllables in speaker are speak, Speaker has two syllables. I want you to try it. What are the syllables in speaks? Speaks. How many syllables are in speaks? Just one. I just hear one vowel sound in speaks. Hear the long E sound. So it's a one syllable word. Okay. Fix. How many syllables are in fix? Fix. It's a one syllable word. I only heard one vowel sound, the if, ix. It's a one syllable word. Fix. Good job. What about fixes? Fix is. Fixes. It's a two syllable word. There's two vowel sounds in the word fixes. Okay. How about the word removes? Removes. Let's do it together. Removes. Removes is a two syllable word. I hear two vowel sounds. Okay, what about removing? Removing. How many syllables are in removing? Re-move-ing. You should have three syllables. Removing. There's three vowel sounds, so there's three syllables. Removing. And what about the word wish? Wish. W-ish. No, I did that completely. I did sounds. So let's do this again. Wish. Wish. There we go. Wish is a one syllable word. Wish. I only hear one vowel sound. But what if I have the word wishes? Wishes. How many syllables are in wishes? Wish is. Wishes. Wishes. That's a two syllable word. It's got two vowel sounds in it. Wishes. So let me change my slide. So now you will delete syllables from the words I say to make new words. Each tile stands for one syllable. I will move up one tile for each syllable you take away to show that you are deleting a syllable from a word. So listen to me as I do the first one. The word is hopping. Now I will say it without the syllable ing. Hopping without ing is hop. Hop, ing. Hopping without the ing is just hop. So now it's your turn. The word is washer. Take away the syllable So I have wash, Take away What's my new word? Wash. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Foxes. So I have two syllables. Foxes. Let's take away the es. What's my new word? Fox. Good job. My word is singing. Singing. Take away the ing on singing. Take that away. What's your word? Sing. You're left with just sing. lunches, lunches, lunches. Say, take off the "es" at the end of lunches. Say your new word. Lunch. Good job. Okay, so let's try a couple more. Coffee pots. Coffee pots. Take off pots. What's your new word? Coffee. Coffee. Good job. We'll try another one. Fingernails. Fingernails. Take off the nails. What's your word? Finger. Finger. All right. Okay, there we go. Honeybee. Honeybee. Take off the bee. What's your new word? Honey. Honey. Excellent. Good job. So let's switch to our phonics card. Remember, swing has the final sound ng. The letters ng stand for the ng sound at the end of swing. These letters blend so closely together that they make their own special sound. The letters nk at the end of a word also have their own special sound. NK, nk. So listen to this word. Think. Nk. Do you hear that at the end? We also reviewed the ending s and es. Remember to show more than one. You can add s or es to a word. You can also add s or es to action words to tell about something that's happening now. So when the letter s is a word ending, it can stand for the s sound or the z sound. Let's read our words together and say the final sounds. So I have this word. I'm going to highlight it. Ducks. S. Hear this at the end. Frogs. Did you hear it make a z sound? Frogs. And foxes. Foxes. It also made the z sound. So let's practice a little bit of blending. So we'll blend the words without and with word endings. So first we're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. So say the letters and sounds with me. W, W, I, I, N, K, nk. And I can blend those in line 2. Wink, wink, wink. So now that we know our word, let's add the s ending. So look at my line 1. Say the letters and the sounds with me. W, W, I, I, N, K, nk, s, s. Let's blend. Winks. Blend it all together. Winks. Good job. So wink can mean a sign shown by closing one eye, or it can be the action of closing one eye. So how does the ending change the meaning of the word? Well, it can mean more than one wink, or it tells that someone else winks. He winks. Or he had a lot of winks. There was more than one wink. So that's how s can change a word. Let's look at this one now. So we're going to try to add the ing ending. So look at my line 1. Let's say our letters and our sounds together. W, W, I, N, K, nk, I, N, G, ng. Let me change my slide so we'll slowly blend the sounds on line 2 to read the word. W, ink, ing, winking, winking. And we can read the whole word together in line 3. So how does that ending change the meaning of the word? The ing. Remember we had wink, we added our ending ing. So when I add ing to a word, it means that the action is happening right now. So wink, I can use wink as a verb, like I wink, and I can add ing to it, and it means I'm doing it right now. I'm winking. I'm winking. You can't see me, but I'm winking right now. Let's look at another word. I want you to say the letters and the sounds with me. F, L, U, I, N, G, ng. And then in line 2, we can blend the sounds to read the word. Fling. And in line 3, we can blend all of them together to read the word fling. Fling. And I'm going to change my slide. So now let's add S to that end, to the end of that word. So say the letters and the sounds with me. F, L, U, I, N, G, ng, S, S. And in line 2, we can blend all those sounds to read our word flings. And in line 3, we can put it all together. Flings. Flings. Fling can mean a short try at something or to throw something. So how did the ending change the meaning of the word? Well, I added an S to it. It can mean more than one fling, or it tells that someone else flings something. Flings, like if you throw it across the room. If you fling it across the room. So now let's add our ing ending. So say the letters and the sounds with me. F, L, U, I, N, G, ng, I, N, G, ng. And in line 2, we can slowly blend those sounds to read our word. Fling, ing. And in line 3, we can blend it all together. Flinging, flinging. So how does adding that ing change the meaning of my word? Well, fling. If I fling the pencil across the room, I'm doing it. It's an action. Flinging means I'm doing it right now. I'm flinging the pencil across the room. Okay, let's try another word. I want you to say the letters and the sounds with me. F, O, X, X. And blend those sounds with me. Fox. Read the whole word. Fox. Good job. Now, let's add the ES ending. So look at my line 1. Say the letters and the sounds with me. F, O, X, X. E, S. This time it's going to make the Z sound. And I can blend all of those sounds together. Foxes. Hear the Z at the end, even though it's an S. And then in line 3, we can put all those sounds together to read the word. Foxes. So how did my ending ES change my word? Well, it means more than one fox. Foxes. Good job. We would call that plural, and we've learned about plural nouns before. So now let's look at this one. Say the letters and the sounds with me. W, I, N, G, ng. And in line 2, we can blend ing. And in line 3, we can completely read the word wing. All right, so let me change my slide. Now we're going to put an S on the end. And I know that when I add an S to the end, sometimes it says and sometimes it says Z. So let's read how it changes our word. Wings. That made the Z sound. And let's read our whole word together. Wings. Good job. So how did adding the S change the end of my word? It means more than one wing. The butterfly had 4 wings. Wings, more than one. All right, so attached to your, Attached to your Google Classroom assignment is your blend and read. I want you to practice doing the ng sound and the nk sound. I also want you to practice adding your s and es to a word. That's very, very important. We don't want to leave off the s or the es in words. They change the meaning of the word. You also have 2 sentences I want you to practice reading. Get really, really, really good at them. And then you have a Start Right Reader assigned to you through HMH.